everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Kiwi Crate unboxing. So this one is for ages 5+. Now my daughter, who's almost 6, and my son, who just turned 8, both get the same one. So this month's is a Secret Agent one. So all Kiwi Crates come with 2 magazines. And here's the supplies that come with it. And we've never been short, they always have everything. I love that they have 1, multiple projects, and 2, they say how much grown-up involvement you need and the messiness meter. I really appreciate that as a parent. So in this crate, you will create a periscope to explore how angled mirrors reflect light, use the science of visible light to create and decode secret messages, and build a spy briefcase to hold all your spying tools. So here's the directions. The directions are always very simple, just one piece at a time, and they're clearly marked, dotted lines between them, with pictures of how they should go. If there's an easy to make mistake, they'll have a like this, not like this kind of picture. Stop and check, make sure it's going right, and then how it works and games you can play with it. The next project is exploring secret messages. He also tried this out. So you just write with the pen, and you have the red spy glasses to look at it. That's pretty cool. It's a UV pen. They have more ideas to do with it. A briefcase you fold up to put their stuff in. This was a really fun kit. I think this is probably one of his favorite so far. Okay, every Kiwi Crate has a sticker, and the first Kiwi Crate comes with a poster that folds out, and there's a circle for each sticker for each crate. I don't know where the poster is. My kids never do that, but it's just FYI, it's there. You can also share projects with them at their social media sites. Okay, this one is the Explore magazine. This one's all about the science and history and how it works, and it's done in a cartoon story format to make it easy to understand. Little short story, and all about codes and how to crack it. Different ways. Cipher disks, QR codes, code talkers, visible ink. And this magazine has some extra projects you can do at home that you'll have to supply your own supplies for. Morse code skewers, that is such a cute idea for a snack. Mystery message with a joke, and they have a little quiz at the end to see if you remembered what you read. You can send a letter to Steve. Steve's this little bird. So here is what's in here. This top secret envelope. This is so cute. They just do such a good job. And so here's that paper we write with the pen on it to make a secret message, and then you have to look through the glasses to see it. You can use the back to make a map, I think they were saying in there. And this stuff is white paper. You can use the pen to make a treasure map or another secret code or something. So lots of stuff to play with here. This is for the periscope. Rubber bands, brackets. I think these are mirrors. Yeah. These are mirrors. The materials are really high quality too. Like these rubber bands are much thicker than store ones you get. Here are the glasses to read the notes on this paper. So you'll be able to see the pen through it once you do that. Markers, 5 different colors. And then here's the UV pen. So it looks like I have to take this out to activate it as a pen part. And then I think this is a marker. Yeah. Kind of an invisible ink type thing until you look at it with the glasses. Here's the little briefcase. Oh, that's so cute. That is adorable. I think these go inside the briefcase to hold the markers and stuff. A fun add-on to this would be reading Harriet the Spy to your kids. They go along perfectly with this crate. They're so fun. Check them out. Their kids love getting stuff in the mail. It's great because it's educational and fun. And they have lots of different lines, so whatever your kid's interested in, you'll find something there that they'll love. You can check out my link in the description below, and let me know in the comments what your favorite kids' spy activities are. That'll be fun to get a list going. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.